Hope you guys are able to see my notepad and able to hear me clearly, correct?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Please mute please mute yourself, guys. Okay. So I will take your questions at the end. So we will have the couple of minutes. No worries about that one. Okay. So just to concentrate on the session. Okay. Yeah, fine. So a warm good morning to one and all. So welcome to Ashok IT. Today we are going to start a new training program in Ashok IT, that is full stack Java development. Okay. So before starting off our today's discussion, first I would like to give you the brief information about myself. So my name is Mahesh and I am currently working professional as an having the 8+ years of an experience in IT application development, and I involved in the front end and the back end and the database side as well. Okay, this is the simple brief about myself. Okay, let me provide those details here as well. Okay, for your information. I'm the currently working professional with an product based company. Okay, and having 8+ years of an experience in IT application development. Okay, yeah, and I involved mostly in front end and the back end. Okay, and the database designs as well. Okay, yeah, this is what the simple brief uh, about my information. Okay, yeah, and so before starting off our so as part of our today's discussion, I will be the focusing and I will be the walkthrough. I will be the walkthrough the some of the important points. I will be the walkthrough some content of this course. Okay, yeah, let me give you that one as well. Okay, as part of our today's session, I will be the covering you the importance of this training, importance of Java full stack development, Java full stack development, and so I will give you what would be the course plan to make you guys as a simple for learning this course. Okay, and I will be the providing you the course content and what would be the what would be the content of this course and what are the different the technologies we are going to learn as part of this training program, and all this kind of information I will be the providing you in the course content section. Okay, and then so you will be the getting like as in the course details as well. In the course details I will be the covering you what would be the duration. Okay, so how we are going to receive the daily class notes and all these things I will be the covering you in the course details section. And so finally you will be the getting to understand so what are the advantages of an Ashok IT case, advantages with Ashok IT. Okay, yes, what kind of an advantages you are going to get with an Ashok IT if you are going to opt this course. Okay, yeah, so these are the main the things which we are going to cover as part of our today's discussions case. Okay, yeah, so before getting into our today's discussion, so before starting off our today's discussion or getting into of our today's discussion, so in this digital world, okay, so in this digital world, we are interacting with the several applications in our day-to-day activity, right or not, guys? Come on, guys. In this digital world,
Yes, sir.
we are interacting the several applications in our day-to-day activity, right?
Yeah, right.
Yes.
That's right.
Yes. So Yes, digital. In this digital world, we are interacting with several applications. So in our day-to-day activity, guys, can you please list out the some of the applications which you are using in your desktop or your laptop, such as MS Office, okay, VLC Media Player, okay, such as MS Office and VLC Media Player, and Acrobat Reader, Acrobat PDF Reader, right? And then so WinZip software, etc. So have you worked? So in most of in our computers, we will be having this kind of softwares. Agree?
Yes, yes, yes. We are
Yes.
using.
Yes, most of in our desktops or in our laptops, definitely we will be having these softwares, guys, and these softwares are going to be an specific to your mission or not. Whenever this particular software is specific to your missions, means that kind of softwares we can call, that kind of an applications or softwares we can call it as an standalone applications, guys. Understand my point or not? So whenever the particular software or an application which is specific to your mission, that kind of an application we can call it as an what type of application, guys? Standalone. Standalone means specific to your mission. Understand? Yeah. So and you might have using this kind of an applications as well in a day-to-day activity, like accessing your Gmail, Facebook, Amazon, like Flipkart, okay, so Flipkart or LinkedIn, etc. So you might have accessing these websites as well, right? So Gmail, Facebook, and Amazon, Flipkart, and the LinkedIn, all these sites you are accessing in your day-to-day activities, right or not, guys?
Right, right.
Right. So now tell me, in order to access this kind of an applications, definitely we require to have an internet or not? Without having the internet, can you access the Gmail?
No, not possible.
No, not possible, right? So without having having the internet, you cannot access this type of an applications, guys. See, this type of an applications technically call it as an web applications. Understand? So the application which can be an accessible through internet, such type of an application, we can call it as an web application, guys. To make it simple, so for understanding purpose, the web application means any application which can be accessed through an internet, such type of an application called web application. Clear? Clear or not?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So typically for every type of an application, for typically every application involves various technologies, guys. Okay. Typically every application involves like various technologies. What are those technologies? And we will see in our the scenario here. Okay. Yeah. So i'm just uh, I'm just using like as in the Amazon.com website, guys. Okay. You can take as an any web application. You can take like as an any application in the real world, that might be an Amazon.com or Flipkart.com or Facebook or LinkedIn, any kind of website. For this, as of now, I'm just taking the Amazon.com website. I'm just taking here the example here to demonstrate the various technologies involved in this application. Okay. Yeah. So guys, as of now, like whenever you guys are giving an request www.amazon.com, then automatically that the respective the home page will be loaded into your browser or not, guys? Can you guys please confirm?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. So whenever you guys are giving the request via browser, so definitely that particular website homepage will be loaded into your browser. right? So whatever the page you are seeing right now on the screen, that page we can call it as an so user interface case. That page we can call it as an user interface page. Understand my point or not? So see, you have like as in the today's deals section, and you can have a customer service, and you can have a registry, and you can go with the gift card, and you can go if you wanted to sell a product, you can go becomes like as in the seller in the Amazon. Okay, so all this kind of all this the page will be considering as an the user interface page, or we can say the front end page, guys, right or not, guys? So means if an end user wanted to interact with an application, definitely we need to have an the user interface. Understand? In order to develop an user interface for an application, we require to learn some technologies. Understand? Understand my point or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Typically, every application involves like as an the various technologies, guys. Okay. If an end user means nothing but an simple Navi user, guys. Navi user means nothing but an ourselves. Okay. If an end user wanted to interact with an application, definitely we required the user interface, guys. User interface pages, right or not? We required the user interface case. Okay. To develop that user interface pages, to develop the user interface pages, okay, to develop as in the user interface pages, we required to have, we required to learn some front-end technologies. Understand? So in order to develop some the user interface pages or a front-end pages, definitely we require to learn some front-end technologies, guys. So what are the front-end technologies are available in the market? You guys are already aware, might be. So you might have heard the terms like HTML. Okay, you might have heard the terms like as in the HTML and CSS and JavaScript and jQuery. Okay, then Bootstrap, etc. Okay, so these are the various front-end technologies are available in the market in order to develop an user interface for an application, guys. Understand? So each and every technology will have their own importance. Okay, each and every technology will have their own importance, guys. In order to develop this kind of an user interfaces for an application, definitely we need to learn the front-end technologies. Understand my point or not, guys?
Yeah, yes, understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. So see, for every software application, definitely we require it to develop an user interface case. So for that user interface only, as a end user, they will be an interacting with that user interface. Okay, to develop this look and feel the user interface, definitely we need to learn the front end technologies. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, and all these are front-end technologies, guys. Okay, each and every technology we will be having their own importance. Okay, so going forward, you will be understanding this each and every technology in detail. Clear up to now, everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Okay. So now observe carefully, guys. Now, if I wanted to sign up, if I wanted to log in or a sign up in the Amazon, okay, then what I have to do, guys? either I need to go for the sign in option. Okay. Yeah, either I need to go for the sign in option, guys. In this is the sign in option. So can you guys please confirm, is this as in user interface screen or not? Is this as in user interface screen or not, guys? Is this as in user interface screen
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Maybe it's not an user interface thing. So
See, this is on the user interface only. Okay. As a end user, if they wanted to sign in into an Amazon, definitely this is an user interface page.
okay.
Okay. This is an user interface page, guys. Okay. So what it is asking as an what it is asking the input as an end user, either he wanted to enter either email or a phone number, right? Yeah. I am just giving something like the email ID here. Okay. I'm just giving some email ID here and I'm just continue to log in, guys. Okay. What it is saying that one? Can you guys please confirm? We cannot find an account with that email address. What do you mean? What do you mean that? So means this account is not registered with an Amazon. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes. And at the same way, if I'm just providing some the contact number, guys, if I'm just providing some contact number, I'm just trying to log in as well. Okay. Yeah. So what it is saying that one again, we cannot find an account with that mobile number as well. So means if you are providing either email or a contact number in this the text field, and once you click on the continue button, so what the Amazon application will do? Amazon application will check whether that given username or contact number is existed in the database or not. If it is existed, then it will landed to your dashboard. Dashboard means nothing but an welcome screen of your Amazon application. Okay. Yeah. If that username or if that email or the mobile number is not existed with an Amazon database means what it is going to return? It is going to return an appropriate error message to the end user. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes. So in order to develop such a kind of logic, means to check whether the username is existed in the database or not, to check whether the username like mobile number is existed in the database or not. Okay. In order to develop or implement such kind of logics in an application, definitely we require to have some backend technologies, guys. We require to knowledge on some backend technologies. Understand my point or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes. So means check. Yeah. See here. Okay. Yeah. So we require to learn some backend technologies, guys. Why we are going to learn the backend technologies? To implement some business logic. Business logic means nothing but an checking the email ID is existed in the database or not, and checking the mobile number is existed in the database or not. All these kind of business logics we are going to implement with the help of backend technologies, guys. Backend technologies. Front-end technologies focusing on presenting the data. So front-end technologies are presenting the user interface. Okay. Yeah. So see, to build to build to build to build the business logic of an application. So definitely we required to learn the what technologies, guys? Backend technologies. Okay. So what kind of business logics? According to their business requirement, the business logic will be varying. Okay, according to your requirement, the business logic will be varying, guys. As I given you, as I explained you the two things, right? So checking a email ID, checking a email ID with the database existed or not. This is the one business logic. Okay, that is the one business logic, guys. And checking the contact number with the database existed or not. This is the another business logic, guys. Understand? To implement to implement the business logic of an every application, definitely we need to learn some backend technologies, guys. Definitely we need to learn some backend technologies. What are those the backend technologies? So we will see here. So, and we have some backend technologies. We have some backend technologies, guys. What are those? Core Java. To implement such kind of business logics for an application, so first we need to learn the core Java. Okay, and then we have to learn advanced Java. Okay, and then we have to learn the Spring framework. Okay, and then Spring Boot. Okay, and then Spring Boot, Hibernate, and Hibernate, guys. Okay, yes. So these are the different backend technologies are available in a Java stack, guys. Okay, to implement any kind of business logic for an application, definitely you guys need to focus on to learn the backend technologies. So okay, to implement such kind of business rules, definitely we need to take an help of these technologies, guys. Core Java or advanced Java, Spring or Spring Boot, and Hibernate, guys. Okay, so can I say the application is nothing but an can I say application is nothing but an combination of the front end technologies plus back end technologies or not, guys?
Yes.
Yes, definitely, guys. Okay, definitely we can say application is nothing but it's a combination of the front-end technologies plus back-end technologies, guys. So front-end technologies focus is nothing but on what? Developing an user interface. Back-end technologies importance is nothing but on what? Implementing some business logics. Okay, business logics means nothing but on, I given you the examples here. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. So you can take any example, guys. You can take any application in the real world. You can take as an Ashok IT website as well. Okay. So whenever as an user interacting with an Ashok IT website, so whatever the page you are seeing right now on the screen, that is called user interface, guys. Okay. That is called user interface. Whenever you wanted to log in of an application, so it is asking us as an email ID and the password, guys. Okay, it is asking us like as in the email ID and the password, something I'm just giving here. Okay, and just trying to hit on the login button. What it is saying? Invalid email ID and password. So what it is checking is internally, whatever the inputs you have provided in the user interface, they're taking that inputs and checking with the database is existed or not. If it is existed means it will be login success. If it is not existed means then you are going to get this kind of messages. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. So for every application, definitely we need to have these core elements, guys. Front-end technologies plus back-end technologies. Clear? Up to now, any doubts?
No,
Clear.
clear.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, fine. So this is what the importance of full stack development, guys. In order to develop an application in the real world, definitely you need to learn front-end technologies and back-end technologies, guys. Clear? Yeah. So now we will be moving on to the understanding of what would be the course plan, guys. Okay. Yeah, let us try to understand the course plan here. Let us try to understand the course plan, guys. So guys, in order to make you simple to learn this training with Ashok IT, so we just categorized into 3 modules. Okay, in order to learn this course as a simple for you with Ashok IT, so we just categorized into 3 modules, guys. Okay, what are the, so we just categorized into 3 modules. That is module 1, or we can consider as part 1. your wish. Okay. So the second one is the module 2, or we can consider it as part 2 as well. Okay. And the third one is nothing but an module 3, and then or you can go with the part 3. Okay. So totally this Java full stack developer course in the Ashok IT we categorized into 3 modules. This Java full stack development is categorized into 3 modules, guys. Clear? Okay. And we just named the module 1 as backend development, guys. Okay. We are just named it as backend development. And we just named the module 2 as front-end development, guys. Okay. And we named the module 3 as Java frameworks. Okay. So each and every module will have their own names here. Backend development, front-end development, and the Java frameworks, guys. Okay. Java frameworks. Okay. So coming to the module 1. So what we are going to cover? So in the module 1, so we will be the covering as core Java, and module 2 will be the covering as an advanced. So second concept as part of in the module 1 is advanced Java, and you will be the learning as database as well. So that might be on the Oracle. Okay. RDBMS database software you are going to learn. Okay. So in this, the module 1 or part 1, the backend development, which involves the core Java, advanced Java with one database, with one RDBMS database case. Okay. So whereas coming to the module 2, we are going to learn okay, whereas coming to module 2, we are going to learn HTML, okay. So we are going to learn HTML, and we are going to learn CSS, okay, then JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap, okay, the Bootstrap, and JavaScript frameworks such as Angular, and React, guys. Okay. So module 2, you are going to focusing on the front-end development of an applications, guys, such as user interface developments. Okay. So we are going to learn as part of this module 2, guys. Okay. So whereas module 3, we will be the focusing on Java frameworks, guys. Okay. The Java frameworks like Spring framework. Nowadays, it is very popular in the market. Spring framework and Spring Boot. Okay. And then you are going to cover like as in the microservices as well. Okay. Spring Boot, microservices, and you will be the getting like as in the real-time project as well. Okay. You will be the getting like as in the real-time projects. Real-time projects, like a minimum of 2 projects, guys, and the maximum of 3 mini projects. Okay. Yeah. So you will be the getting like as in the 2 to 3 real-time projects in module 3, guys. Okay. And at the same way, you will be the getting some real-time tools as well. Okay. So in Ashok IT, so we are going to learn 20 plus real-time tools, guys. Okay. 20 plus real-time tools which are frequently used in the industry. Okay. Which are frequently used in industry, guys. Those many number of real-time tools we are going to be the cover as part of in the module 3, guys. Okay, clear? So
Yes.
yes, and so in order to make you guys to learn this course simple, we just categorized into 3 modules. Module 1 will focusing on backend development. So core Java, advanced Java, and the database 1 RDBMS database software you are going to learn. In case of module 2, it is completely focusing on front-end development using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap and JavaScript frameworks as well. So module 3, which will be the covering on Java frameworks, guys, such as Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, and the real-time projects, which you are going to get for 2 to 3 mini projects, 2 to 3 real-time projects, and at the same way, the real-time tools as well, 20 plus real-time tools you are going to learn. Okay, yeah, and so see. So module 1. Okay. So module 1. So for this, the module 1, I will be the taking the responsibility to cover the end to end for the module 1, guys. Okay. End to end. So for the module 1. Okay. I will be the taking the responsibility to cover like as in the module 1 end to end. Okay. Yeah. And coming to module 2, so the module 2 will be the covering like as an, okay, another trainer in the Ashokite itself, like Savita. Okay, Savita. Okay, she will be the taking care of the front-end development for an application, guys. Okay, yeah. And and module 3. And so the module 3, the trainer will be an Ashok. Okay, he will be the taking care of entire module 3 from in and outs. Okay, he will be the taking care of the entire module 3 from in and outs case, like often the Spring Boot with microservices architecture application development. Okay, he will be the taking care of giving you the knowledge on real-time projects and real-time oriented scenarios. Okay, and the real-time tools as well. Okay, with respect to the module 3, guys. Okay, yes. So in order to cover this module 1, okay, we require the minimum, so we require to have that, so we require the 2 months, guys. Okay, in order to cover like as in the module 1, so we require to have the 2 months. Okay, in order to cover the module 2, we require to have 1 month. Okay, 1 month is enough to cover the front-end technologies, guys. Okay, so to cover the module 3, so we require 3 months to cover like as an in and outs of an each and every module. So this is what the duration we required, guys. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
This is Suyaj. Sir, in JavaScript frameworks, ma'am is going to cover both the frameworks, Angular and React, or only one of them?
Yeah. I will take your questions, guys, at the end. Just wait for a moment. Okay. Just wait for a couple of minutes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Module 3. So this is what the duration which we required for the module wise, and who will be the taking care of this entire modules case. Okay. So I am the responsible to, I will be the taking care of and the responsible for covering the module 1 of and the core Java, advanced Java with the database knowledge as well. Okay. Yeah. Clear? Now you might have some questions. You might have getting some questions in your mind. Okay, I will clear your questions in this discussion. Okay, important note. I'm just making the note here. Okay. I'm just making the note here.
This is the module 2, right? Or module 1?
No,
Actually,
no.
I enrolled this course 8 a.m. So I'm thinking that it's a module 2. I see in the portal also module 2, Savita batch actually.
No, this is not a module 2. Okay, this is a fresh batch.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine. So if you are a fresher and if you are passed out of the 2022, okay, so where you need to learn this, where you need to start this course, that is what the question you have. Okay, so as a fresher as a fresher, you need to start okay you need to start this course with module 1 mandatory. Okay, as a fresher, it is mandatory to start from which module, guys? Module 1. As a fresher, you need to start mandatory from module 1, guys. Okay, and you can you can take and you can attend the module 2 parallelly, not a big issue. Okay, you can take as a fresher, you need to mandatory to start with on the module 1, and you can take that module 2 as on the parallelly as well, guys, because there is a no dependency between the module 1 and module 2, guys. Module 1 focus is developing backend services, okay, backend logic. Okay, module 2 is focusing on front end. There is a no dependency between these two modules. There is a no dependency between these two modules, guys. Okay, there is a no dependency between these two modules. As a fresher, you can take these two modules parallelly. Okay, you can take the two modules parallelly, guys. And so once you completed this module 1 and module 2 in the parallelly, okay, you can go with module 3, guys. Okay, you can go with the module 3. You can go with the module 3, guys. Okay, to complete this module 1 and module 2 parallelly, which will takes like as the 2 to 3 months of minimum, and the module 3 again we will be having the 3 months of duration. Okay, understand my point? As a fresher, you need to start mandatory from module 1. That is compulsory, guys, because you don't have the basic, you don't have much base knowledge on the programming side. So we will be the giving you the strong knowledge on the basics with respect to the module 1, guys. Okay, yes, and you can take this module 2 parallelly, front end development, not a big deal. There is a no dependency between module 1 and module 2. Okay, after completion of these two modules within the 2 to 3 months of span, okay, after completion of these first two modules in the 2 to 3 months of span, okay, you can go for module 3. So if you complete the module 1 and module 2, then understanding the module 3 becomes very easy for you guys. Okay, so this is what the recommended plan. Okay, yeah, this is what about the fresher. Okay, if you are if you are entering if you are an experienced, if you are an experienced person, or if you have some basic knowledge, if you have some base knowledge on Java, okay, where you need to start this course, where you need to start this course, guys. If it is an experienced guy, if it is an experienced guy, so you can you can start with, if you are experienced guy and if you are experienced guy and you have some basic knowledge on if you have some basic knowledge on Java side, means either you can start with module 3. Okay, sir, I don't want to learn like core Java and advanced Java. I'm good at core Java and advanced Java. I wanted to complete this course I wanted to complete this course as quick as possible. So means if you are experienced guy, means you can start with the module 3, guys. Okay, and you can start with the module 3, and parallelly you can attend the module 1. So parallelly you can parallelly you can attend like as in the module 2 as well, front end development, guys. Okay, parallelly you can attend the module 2 as well for the front end development. Okay, yeah, if you wanted to become a strong on core Java and advanced Java and the database side, so you can attend these things as well. You can attend like as in the module 1 as well, guys. Okay. If you are an experienced person to wanted to start with their sports means, and you can start with on the module 3 if you are good at core Java and advanced Java. If you are not, if you required some basic, if you wanted to strong foundation on module 1 means, then you can attend that the module 1, guys. Okay. Yeah. Clear up to now? Any questions?
Hi, sir. Asif here.
Yeah.
Sir, can we learn anyone, sir, for backend or either or front end? So how is the job opportunities and now in the market, sir?
Yeah. So nowadays, yeah, I will cover that point as well. Just give me a couple of minutes. Okay. Yeah. First, let me complete the course plan. Okay. Sure. I will cover that question, Asif. Okay.
Sir, also please let us know that what is the package for full stack developer or front end and back end.
Yeah, sure. Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. This is what the course plan, guys, in the Ashok IT to learn this course, make you guys as in the simple. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Fine. Yeah. So coming to the course content, guys. So as I already told you, right? So I will be the taking care of the responsibility of and the module 1. So module 1 end to end, guys. I will be the taking care of entire end to end for the module 1, guys. Okay. So in core Java, okay, in core Java, what we are going to learn, sir? So in core Java, what we are going to learn? In module 1, in your module 1, so we are going to first learn, we are going to learn as in the core Java, guys. So first topic, we are going to be the cover of the basics of C programming, guys. Okay, the basics of C programming, and then we'll be the talking about introduction to Java. Introduction to Java programming, guys. Introduction to the Java programming. Okay, in this the topic which we are going to cover, like the basics of Java programming, control statement.
Sir? Hello.
Yes.
Sir, what is your first model, sir? Like core Java or advanced Java?
Yeah. I already given you, right? Just wait for a moment. I will explain.
Okay.
I already given you the knowledge here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So like in the core Java, the first topic will be on the basics of C programming and introduction to Java programming, guys. That is the second topic. And then after that, I will be the starting with the object-oriented programming. Okay. I will be the starting with an object-oriented programming. After completion of an object-oriented programming concepts, so we will be the talking about the the packages in Java. Okay, so packages in Java, guys, and then after that, we'll be the talking about exception handling. Okay, so we'll be the talking about exception handling, and after that, we'll be the talking about a collection API. Okay, so collections API, guys, and then we'll be the talking about thread API as well. So multi-threading environment, multi-threading. And then after that, we will be the talking about in input and output streams, input IO streams API, guys. Okay, API. And then what we are going to learn? So that is event handling programming, guys. Okay, event handling programming using AWT and Sphinx. That is very important for you for understanding event handling mechanism in Java. Okay, event handling mechanism in Java. So that is what we are going to learn. At last, so we are going to cover the Java 8. Okay, we are going to cover like Java 8 and Java 9 and Java 11 features, guys. Okay, so Java 8 to Java 11 features. end to end with an examples exploring all features with respect to from Java 8 to Java 11 features, guys. Okay. Nowadays, this is very important for cracking an interviews. Nowadays, this is very important for nowadays it is very important topic for to crack an the core Java interviews case. Okay. So Java 8 plays very major role in the real time case. Okay. Yeah. So that we will be the focusing on Java 8 to Java 11 features as well at the end of the core Java. Okay. Yeah. So, and then coming to the advanced Java case. So in advanced Java, we will be the covering as JDBC case. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. Okay. So Java Database Connectivity case. So in this JDBC, what we are going to learn, sir? Okay. How the Java application, okay, how the Java application will communicate with Oracle database. Okay. Okay. And then will be the covering as how the Java application to communicate with the MySQL database as well, guys. Okay. Yeah. So in the JDBC, we will be the majorly focusing on how to store the data into a database from Java application, guys. Okay. That is what the main agenda of JDBC is. Java database connectivity, how we are going to store the data into a database from Java application. So mostly we will be the covering these two databases with the Java with the Java application interaction, guys. Clear? Yeah. So, and then will be the covering as servlet programming, guys. Okay. Servlet programming is meant for developing the web applications. Okay. Servlet programming. So by using the servlet programming, guys, we can develop web applications in Java. Okay. So as we discussed in the starting of the session, so Gmail, Google, Gmail, Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart, okay, all these are comes under the web application, right? In order to develop such kind of an application, Java has came up with one technology called servlet programming, okay, servlet technology, or we can call it as a servlet programming. Okay. Yes. And the next one which we are going to be the cover as JSP, guys. Okay. JSP, that is Java Server Pages. Okay. That is called JSP. JSP is also meant for tag-based web application development, guys. Okay. Tag-based web application, guys. Web application development. That's all. Okay. So these are the three technologies which we are going to be the cover as part of an advanced Java. So that is JDBC, servlet programming, and JSP programming, guys. Okay. Servlets and JSP both are meant for developing the web applications. Okay. Yeah. And anyhow, with the database interactions, you will be the getting some knowledge on Oracle DB and MySQL DB, guys. How to write queries in databases, how to write the joins, and how to execute the PL SQL procedures from Java application, PL SQL functions, working with the cursors. All these things you will be the exploring on this the JDBC discussions, guys. Okay. This is what the course content of the module 1, guys. Clear? See, this is just outline, guys. This is nothing but just outline of our the module 1 related content. Okay. This is just outline of module 1 related content, not exact content. So we will be the adding like as an adding some more concepts to these existing concepts as well. Okay. Yeah. So this is what the module 1 content, guys. This is nothing but a module 1 content. Okay. Yeah. So this is nothing but the module 1 content, guys. So now what is the course details, guys? Now we will jump onto the course details. See here, the course details. See here. Now the course details, guys. So the prerequisite for this course, there is no prerequisite for this course, guys. As a fresher, you can learn this course. As I told you, as a fresher, you can opt this course. As an experienced person also, you can opt this course. Okay, this entire course will focusing on full stack development. Okay, front end development plus back end development, guys. Prerequisite is nothing, guys. Okay, you no need to have any basic knowledge on you no need to have any basic knowledge, guys. And the training mode will be an online training, and the duration for this course is a total duration for this entire end-to-end training, which will require the 6 months, guys. Okay, so front end and back end module 1 and module 2 will takes 2 to 3 months, and module 3 completely takes 3 months, guys. Okay, and the total the fee for this course is 18K, and which you can pay in the 2 installments, guys. Okay, which you can pay in 2 installments. And weekly you will be having the 6 days session for 1 hour on daily basis, and long sessions will be in their weekends and Saturdays and Sundays, and daily the class notes will be shared. Okay, daily the class notes will be shared, and the soft copy of the notes will be shared to you guys. And at the same way, the topic wise interview questions will be covered during the training itself. Okay, this is the course details, guys. Topic wise interview questions will be covered during the training itself. Clear? This is a outline of the course details, guys. Okay, yeah. So what are the benefits? What are the benefits of what are the advantages of with an Ashoka IT, guys? What kind of an advantages we are going to get with an Ashoka IT? Okay, just to try to understand here. Okay, advantages with Ashoka IT. Advantages with Ashoka IT, guys. Okay, yeah. So daily it would be on the live session. Daily it should be on the live classes, guys. Okay, always the daily should be on the live classes only. And then all the trainers in the Ashoka IT is industry experienced trainers, guys. Okay, so whoever working within the industry, so whoever working with an industry, all those becomes as the trainer here, guys. That's why we are available up to morning 10 o'clock only. Okay, so because we are the working professionals, and we just need to give, so we just providing the industry training here. Okay, industry experienced trainers, all are industry experienced trainers, guys. Okay, and then we will be covering as in the real-time use cases. Okay, whatever the problems we had faced during so whatever the problems we have faced during the application development, so we will be discussing those real-time use cases as well, guys. Or we can say it's a real-time oriented training as well. Okay, yes, always we will be taking you what are the problems which we have faced in the industry. So that problems we are going to discuss here in our as part of our training, guys. And you will be having as in the lab facility as well, guys. Lab facility. Whoever as in the staying as in the staying around in Amirpet with an Ashoka IT, they can go and practice their lab sessions with the Ashoka IT labs, guys. Okay, whoever is staying at an Amirpet, so they can go with the Ashoka IT for utilizing the lab facility as well, guys. Okay, and you will be getting as in the backup video sessions as well. Backup videos as well. Okay, if you missed any particular day, or if you missed any particular day of our training session, we will get as in the backup videos as well for an access of 6 months. Okay, you will be getting the backup video access for the 6 months, guys. Understand? Yeah, and so you will be having as in the doubt clarifications as well, guys. Okay, so mostly the training will be in the online, right? At a particular, so if you have as in the more doubts, and if you wanted to interact with me, okay, at a one particular weekend, I will come to the Ashoka IT. I will come to the Ashoka IT, and we will discuss about the doubts in a particular weekend, guys, on Saturdays. Okay, so means one-on-one communications also will be there. If you wanted to interact with me, okay, anyhow daily we are interacting with 1 hour, right? So you might have some more doubts some more doubts to clarify with me. So if you wanted to communicate with me, or if you wanted to get in touch with me, I will be available in one weekend, guys, with Ashok IT. Okay, in the institute. You can clarify your doubts. Okay, yeah, that is the one. And so we will be Ashok IT will take care of creating the group for communication, guys. Okay, for any class related updates, or if anyone practicing, so if anyone while they're practicing they got blocked some issue, okay, you can share your screenshots in that group, and you can clarify your doubts. Okay, and I will be the part of in that group as well. Okay, whenever whenever I get a free time, definitely I will look into that group, and I will answer your questions as well, guys. Okay, definitely my support will be there in this group to clarify your doubts. Okay, no worries. And so Ashok IT is tied up with multiple companies, guys. Ashok IT is tied up with multiple companies. So that's why, so we have like as in the placement assistance, guys. Okay, so we are not providing the placement assistance. We are not providing, so we are just providing the placement assistance, guys. Why? Because see, Ashok IT is tied up with multiple companies. If you are practiced, and so there will be some metrics, guys. Okay, there will be some metrics to get into the to get like as in the placement assistance. Okay, so see, you should need to be on focus on. You should need to be the focus on this course for the span of 6 months, and you need to complete the assignments on daily basis. Okay, whatever the assignments are going to share with you, okay, those assignments should be on the complete mandatory, and you should need to be on the practice thoroughly, and we will be the conducting some mock interviews. Okay, if you are good at on the mock interviews, then definitely you will be the getting the placement assistance with Ashok IT, guys. Okay, yeah. So that is the one. And finally, you are like, you will be the getting like as in the course completion certificate as well with Ashok IT. Okay, these are the advantages of getting advantages of an Ashok IT, guys. Okay, yeah. So if you required any more details, guys, okay, if you required any more details, you can get in touch with an Ashok IT. Okay, so using the website, you can visit www.ashokittech.com, and you can go with the Telegram official group as well, and you can touch with another admin team with this number, and you can drop an email if you have any questions on the training program, guys. Okay, this is what the course, the complete roadmap of Java full stack development, guys. This is complete roadmap of Java full stack development. Okay, yeah. So guys, one important, the few important points for you with respect to the Java full stack development. Nowadays, the most of the industries are looking for an full stack Java developer, guys. Okay, full stack developers. So why? Because so because as a full stack developer, so they can focus on the various areas of an application development. He will be the taking care of front-end development, and he will be the taking care of the back-end development, and he will be the taking care of the database invert designs as well, and he will be the taking care of deployment process as well, guys. Okay, nowadays it is a currently trending in the market. The full stack is a very hot cake, guys. Full stack is very hot cake. Okay, and industry is also looking for full stack developers. If you wanted to started with the career of if you wanted to started a career of full stack Java developer as a fresher, you will be the getting like a minimum of 7 to 8 lakhs between, guys. Okay, 7 to 8 lakhs if you started with the career of the fresher as a full stack Java developer, guys. Okay, with the product based company. Okay, yeah, you will be the getting the huge packages, guys. As a experienced guy, if you wanted to become as an the full stack Java developer, means definitely you will be the having the good packages with the companies, guys. Okay, we cannot expect this much of minimum according to their companies income. They will be the offering the good packages with respect to the full stack development. Okay, according to the pay scale I told you, guys, as a fresher, from the source of and the pay scale. Okay, from the source of and the pay scale, The minimum salary of the full stack Java developer for a fresher is 7 to 8 lakhs between. Okay. Yeah. This is the complete course plan and roadmap of full stack development in Ashok ATGIS. Any
Hi, sir. I
questions?
have one doubt.
Any questions, guys? Now it's your turn. If you have, so one by one, just raise a hand. You can, I will unmute yourself. Okay, I will unmute yourself, raise a hand. I will give you chance to ask you the questions, guys.
Hi, sir. Asif here.
Yeah.
Sir, nowadays we have been hearing about this concurrency. Is it a part of Java full stack development or it is a separate topic?
Concurrency API you are talking about.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that would be the part of an Java 8 features discussion, guys.
Java 8.
Yes.
So we will be covering that also in this session, right, sir?
Correct, correct. In the core Java, as I highlighted with the one topic, right? So with this one, Java 8 to Java 11 features. In that part, I will be the taking care of that concurrency API as well. Okay. So that is one of the feature in Java 8.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hello.
Sir, can we attend the interviews as a freshers also, sir? In this, or we have to provide any experience for this fake experience type?
No, sir. Those things will be there will be the part of and the module 3 discussions, guys. Okay. If you wanted to show some gap as an experience, okay, and if you wanted to crack that the experience interview, whenever you are showing as in the gap as an experience, those things will be the covered as part of in the module 3 discussions by Ashok.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
No, I have been hearing that there won't be job openings for freshers. They will take only full stack developers as experienced persons only. I have heard this, sir. That's the reason I'm
No, sir. No, sir. No. So if you are a fresher and you need to be the strong on the like the full stack development means definitely you will be the getting a more definitely you will be the getting the opportunities, guys. So there is a no such kind of other statements like freshers don't have the jobs and experience only will have the jobs. That is a false statement. Okay, don't believe that kind of things.
okay, thank you.
If you are in the strong in the technology, definitely job will be you. Okay, that 100% sure, guys. Okay. Yeah.
So can I join only for module 1?
Sorry.
Can I join only for module 1?
Yes. So yeah, that's what I told you. So I will be the taking care as in the responsibility for the module 1. This module 1 timing has been the fixed, that is morning 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. guys.
So what is the fees for that only for module 1?
So you can check with an admin team on this. Okay. You can check with an admin team on this for the
Okay,
module 1.
sir.
Okay. Yeah. You can get in touch with admin team, or you can drop the message in the WhatsApp to this number as well.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. This is Veer Babu.
Okay.
Actually, I'm the 2018 year passed out candidate. I'm
Okay.
going. I can go as a fresher like that.
No, guys. So from the fresher, you are already out of the fresher scope. So you cannot go with the fresher. Okay. You just need to show some gap as an experience. And so just you need to be the strong on the technical stack.
Okay. How many years of experience we will?
Yeah, from the 2018. So 2018, you can put like minimum of 3 years case. You should need to be put minimum of 3 years in your case.
Okay, we can handle the 3 years of experience.
Definitely, guys. If you are go within the Java full stack development, definitely you can survive within 3 years of an experience, guys. Okay,
Okay.
that much knowledge you are going to get here.
Okay, okay then. Fine, sir. Fine.
Yeah.
There's no issue. Fine.
Hello. Hi,
Sir,
sir.
in module 3.
This is Naidu. Sir,
Yeah.
is this microservices covered in this course?
Yes,
Microservices.
yes, yes,
Yes.
yes,
Data API, Spring
yes,
Cloud.
yes.
Okay.
That will be the part of and the module 3 Naidu. Okay.
Okay. These are like a basic things are covered, or like in a depth level, all things are covered.
No, not basic things. Okay, they will be the covering like as in the Spring Boot in and outs, and they will be the covering about microservices architectures as well. Okay, Spring Cloud, okay, Eureka and Joule proxy, okay, configuration servers, all these things we will be the covering, guys. Design patterns, circuit breaker, Saga design pattern, all these things we will be the covering here in the module 3. That will be the taken care by Ashok.
Okay, we will deep dive into all these areas, right?
Definitely 100% assurance for that.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, JRTP is also included in module 3.
That would be the module 3, sir. Yeah, JRTP comes under is in the module 3.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any questions with respect to the codes or any other questions you have?
Hello.
Yes.
That's you said like we have paid this course fees in 2 installments, right?
Correct, sir.
So initially we need to pay half of amount, and after that 3 months we need to pay half of, like how is this process will be going on?
Yeah. Yes. With respect to this point, Naidu, so you can check with an admin team. Okay. You can check with an admin team about this point, guys. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So as of now, the 18K will be the course fee, and you can pay in the 2 installment. Okay. So you can check with an admin team according to this one. Okay. Yeah.
Actually, the timings will be same for all the 3 modules, or it will be different for
No,
the
sir.
2 modules?
All the 3 modules timing will not be the same, because so you need to have an option to attend the parallelly, right? So in the module 1, if you're taking the module 1 at the morning, so it might be module 2 will be the happening on some other time in the morning or some other time in the evening.
Okay, what if we not choose it parallelly? If
you are not choosing it as in the parallelly, means you just need to complete these modules in the sequential fashion continuously. These batches will be continuously. These batches will be in the these batches will be continuously. We'll getting these batches in Ashok IT. No issues.
Okay. Okay.
You can complete module by module as your wish.
Okay, but timings will be different according to the trainer.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Definitely timings will not be collide with the other modules. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any question?
Sir, Ashok sir will taking 2 batches, Spring Boot and microservices and JRTP. These 2 batches are included in module 3?
Oh, no. So see, we are not going to include. So content of the JRTP will be the part of an module 3, guys. Not to be an included JRTP batch under this batch. Okay. Whatever the content we are going to be the cover in JRTP, Java real-time project. So that content we are going to be the cover as part of in the module 3, guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
How many fees of module 3 only?
Sorry?
How many fees of only module 3 learn?
How much fees for the module 3? That is what your question.
Sir, only module 3 complete करना है, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि only module 3 की फीस कितनी है?
Yeah. So you can check with an admin team on this. Okay. Please check with the admin team on this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Or you can drop a message in the WhatsApp to the Ashok IT.
Ashok IT. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So hi, sir. Good morning.
Yeah.
So will recorded sessions be provided in case if we miss any live session?
Yeah, definitely. So if you miss any particular live session, you will be getting the recording, right? As I told you, like for the backup sessions, you will be getting like 6 months of an access.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go through that the videos as well. No issue.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, daily class notes will be available for you, and at the same way, the class video as well is available for you through the portal, Ashok IT portal. Okay. 2 participants. Okay. Aditya, you are having some question? Manoj?
No, sir. Just
Manoj? Manoj, do you have a question? Okay.
So when is module 1 will be start? So like
Yeah, the content. So actual like module 1 will be the starting from the tomorrow onwards. This is what the first session, right, of the Java full stack development, the new batch. Okay, this is the first session of the new batch, right? That's why I given you the outline of the course. The module 1 actual content will be starting on the tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be taking care of some basics of C programming, and some terminologies required for the programming as well. What is program? Okay, what is a statement? What is a program? What is a software? What is the role of compiler in the programming languages? What is an interpreter a role of in the programming languages? All these things we will be covering on the tomorrow session, guys. We'll be starting with the tomorrow onwards from the module 1. Okay, at the same time, same bridge.
Okay.
Okay.
Each module, like a session timing is only 1 hour, right?
Yes. 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Minimum of 1 hour and the maximum of 1 hour 15 minutes, guys. Okay. At the weekends, we will be planning you to take the longer sessions, 2 hours sessions or 2.5 hours session. Okay. With the prior information only, we will be planning the long sessions in the weekend.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yes. Manoj, like you will be the daily class notes and the videos you will be accessing through via Ashok IT portal, guys. If you are registered with this course, you will be getting access for the Ashok IT portal. In that portal, you will get you will access your notes on the daily basis and the recordings as well. Ramesh, you have some question, you can go ahead. Ramesh, you can unmute yourself and you can ask your question. Okay, then that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me, and otherwise we'll meet you on the tomorrow session with the same bridge at the same time. Okay, so tomorrow we'll start with the basics of C programming, guys. That's all for today.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
What's the timing for module 2?
So
my call got disconnected when you were saying about it. Yeah.
As of now, we will be, so as of now, the module 1 timing is got fixed. That is morning 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Okay. So very soon we will be the planning to launch the module 2 as well simultaneously after the couple of days in other timings.
Okay.
Okay. It will not collide with the module 1 timing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yes.
So can we get this course details?
You mean this notepad or?
Yes, this notepad.
Yeah. So
I joined a bit late. So,
okay. Sure. I will share this notepad as well. Okay. Yeah.
Sure.
Admin will share you that one. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Fine. Okay. Hope so. No questions from you. Okay. So will be
hello?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Sir, where will join daily?
Sorry.
Where will join daily in this class?
Yeah, same bridge only. The two Zoom link only. We will be joining the same bridge for the next couple of days. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay then. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm signing off for
Good morning,
today.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, basically, I'm a mechanical engineer, sir.
Okay.
So, can I handle this course, sir? Actually, I had doubt, sir. So,
Yes.
why?
Yes.
Because I'm non-core, so that's why. Can you give me any suggestions?
Yeah. You can, sir. You can. Okay. So this course is the prerequisite is nothing, guys. Okay. So, but so if you are a mech, if you are the background is mech, right? So initially you will be facing some struggle. Okay. So like going forward, I mean to say that you will get to know everything, guys. No worries. If you are if you are the mech background, and if you wanted to come into an IT, so definitely you need to be you need to be the more focused for a couple of months.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Definitely this program will help you to improve to get into an IT as well. Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
I am Amish, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Tell me. I'm able to hear you.
This is Core Java. How many days will be completed, sir?
As I told you, right, for the module 1 will be the covering as in the minimum 2 months and the maximum of 2 months 15 days that will takes.
2 months 15 days.
Core Java, advanced Java as well.
Both are including 2 months to 2 or 3 months nearly.
Okay. Yeah.
This is okay. This is a long section. How many hours will be doing, sir? Saturday, Sunday will be planning.
Which one? Module 1 or module 3 you are talking about?
Module 1.
Yeah, module 1. Anyhow, we are going to plan the long sessions in the weekends on Saturdays and Sundays.
Saturday, Sundays. But Saturday, Sundays in 2 hours or nearly 3 hours will be?
2 hours, minimum 2 hours, maximum of 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. And we will be using Mayur, like we will be using like as on the couple of IDEs, Eclipse IDE for developing the core Java programs and web applications as well. And I will be habituating you guys as an IntelliJ IDE as well. Okay. Eclipse IDE and IntelliJ IDE. These are the industry standard IDEs, guys. Okay. So I will show you how to create a projects and how to debug the projects as well. Okay, all these things I will be taking care of you guys. Whatever the softwares are required to work with these technologies, I will be taking care of in and outs. No worries. Okay. Yeah. No, sir. Sunday, most probably we don't have the session. Okay. Sometimes we will plan on Sundays with prior information.
Hello.
Yes.
Daily running live classes will be recorded, but another time will be recorded. Some matter will be reading. But how is possible, sir? Some running notes.
Sorry, sir. I did not get your point.
Running notes will be available or a soft copy?
Yeah. Sure. Running notes means a soft copy only, right? So this notepad I am going to share with you guys on the daily basis. Whatever yes, whatever the things I am going to explore, whatever the things I am going to put in the session, right? I will be putting on these things in the notepad as well. No worries, I will be sharing you in the daily basis.
Daily basis is total will be one course will be share the details.
Daily, sir. Daily.
Daily. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So you need to refer some time, right? That's why we are going to share the content of our the day-to-day session.
Yes. That points.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's all for today, guys. Again, we'll meet you on this. Again, we'll meet you on the tomorrow with the same bridge. Signing off for the today. Bye.
Thank you, Mahesh. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.